Hi, I'm Susan. Today I am working on my postcard for the July Postcard Play hosted by Carrie the Crafter. And we are to use gel prints. So I've got my card backed with this beautiful gel print I did. I was real happy with this. It's got the dark and then it's got the sparkly light and it just stars. And I don't even remember how I did this because this was an old gel print. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Now I have this printable, this image from Christie's Printables, and it's on Facebook, and I love her artwork. So I want to do a tall portrait size, or portrait, I can't even think of what I'm trying to say, orientation. So I'm going to use that, and I want to tuck that in. And this is some of the fodder I made from magazines, so I want to add that in. And I do need to get a number, which I thought I had, but I can do that. Okay, so let me get this down. And I've decided to use my art glitter glue because I was really having a hard time with the gel medium. Now putting on the paper, I would do that, and I may go over the whole card with gel medium, but for this I think I'm just going to use my art glitter glue. I love her look. She reminds me of my grandmother. Although my grandmother would never have tattoos, she would be appalled. But she was spunky. Or she could be. She was either spunky or pitiful. She was one of those ladies that liked people to feel sorry for, but I still loved her. I always will. Oh, I forgot to put this down. So let me get that down. Glue is stopped up. Well, I've enjoyed this challenge. Be sure and check out Carrie Griffith's channel and the hashtag July, spelled J-E-L-Y, postcard play, even though I keep wanting to call it jelly. And I noticed Gail Gustinelli did the same thing, so I feel like I'm in good company. Okay. There. I love that fodder. That is something I learned from Debbie from My Vagabond Style. My glue keeps wanting to stop up. Get this back down. I love my art glitter glue, but it sure can be a pain when it wants to not work. Let's see if I can get this to open up just a tad. I had the pen in. Now I need to find a number, which I thought I had. Ooh, not my numbers. Now this one's really simple. So I need a number 3. Could do that. And I'll just trim down . Yeah. I think I'm going to ink around it with my black. There we go. Let me get this out. And I think I'm just going to tilt it a little. And I want to use my Stabila All and go around my lady. And I don't know that I'm going to use the ink pen this time. I mean my water brush. Forgive me, my mind's just kind of going. I just kind of want her to stand out a little bit. And I think that helps a lot. And I do have a saying that I thought was funny. It's one of Tim Holtz's snarky sayings. It says, "I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud?" I don't need those little long ends. And I'm just going to go around the edges to get rid of the white. So we're going to say, like, "I'm sorry." I like that. And I am going to put some glue on this. I'm sorry, did I roll my eyes out loud? I love it. Now I'm just going to round my corners. I just like that look. And I'm just going to go around the edge with my black soot. to say this one is done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye, y'all.